What's up, y'all? It's Sonya Jones with GIP Financials or Mr. Miyagi of Money. So we are back with part 2 of how we can get you, CEO, to make sure that your tax preparation is seamless. So if you have not watched video 1, make sure that you do that. Check out that video. I'm giving you 9, y'all. 9 tips. So the first 5 on the other video. Now I'm going to give you the remaining 4. So I'm going to get on into this thing. Y'all ready? So number 6, make sure that you know your business entity, right? Sole proprietorship, LLC, S Corp, C Corp. If you do not know your proper entity, you can be leaving money on the table. So make sure that you have your accountant, your bookkeeper, your tax preparer, or your CPA. Talk with them to make sure that they understand what you're doing in your business and that you are aware of all the different protocols that it's going to take to ensure that your entity is in good standing, right? Number 7, manage payroll. Now, I'm not going to go into full detail about this, but what I am going to tell you is this. Pay your people. Please. Make sure you pay yourself. Pay your people. Pay your taxes. Pay your payroll taxes. And make sure that you're using a payroll platform. You should not ever be trying to just write checks and not have a payroll platform. Y'all, let those folks do that stuff for you. QuickBooks got QuickBooks Payroll. You got Gusto, Paychex, ADP. All those people, just pick one and get on the plan. All right? You don't get in trouble for that. Number 8, seek your expert's advice regarding your business plan. Let me just go ahead and put this out here. A real expert, when they are doing their onboarding or their intake process, they should be asking you about your business goals. Just saying. Because, again, if we know what your goals are, then we can be tracking those things as we're doing your monthly reconciliations, right? So your expert needs to know what you're thinking. Run your ideas by your expert, because they have gems and they're going to ask you questions that I know you're not thinking about, because they're going to be thinking about protecting you as the business asset, right? So talk shop, chop it up with your experts. Last but not least, let's talk about capitalization. Big word, right? All I'm talking about is fixed assets. You may have heard it as fixed assets. So what we're talking about when it comes to fixed assets, we're talking about equipment. We are talking about possibly real estate. If you own your business building, even vehicles. Child, I'm pretty sure you have seen on social media about the G-Wagon. Everybody wants a G-Wagon, right? Because tax year 2022 is the last year for the bonus depreciation. Now, you know I love you, right? But you still could take your tail out there and get on G-Wagon. You know you can't afford it. Because I don't care how many tax write-offs you're going to get. You still got to maintain that G-Wagon. Don't get caught slipping out here. Just tell you, fam, because I love you. Right? So, with any piece of equipment, like your laptops, I'm recording off this wonderful camera right here. Those things can be depreciated, which means that the value of those assets, you can take tax deductions over time, right? Kind of like a tax savings account. Just saying. All right. So see how quick that was? Got you on some quick game. So this is what I need you to do. I need you, hopefully you had some pen and paper, run this video back, take some notes, and if you need to, holler at GIP Financials. We offer 15-minute discovery calls. GIPfinancials.com. Schedule your 15-minute discovery call. It is free. You'll talk to me or one of the positionettes. We're going to figure out what your needs are, and then we're going to offer you a solution based off of your needs. It's as simple as that. CEOs, you should not be doing these things by yourself. When I say these things, I'm talking about your money things, your bookkeeping, right? Your tax preparation. You should not be doing these things alone. Let us help you up. he can handle. Won't you come? Let me give you two of them because this is how serious this is. You don't want the alphabet boys in your business because you feel like, oh, I can't afford a bookkeeper. I can't afford a tax preparer. Can you afford to spend hours in an audit? Just saying. This ain't about us trying to take money from you. We want to help you and be a partner, right? It's all about fundamental business finance education at GIP Financials. And the GIP means get in position. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you for your time. This is Sonia Jones with GIP Financial, Joy, Mr. Miyagi of Money. Peace, and we will see you on the next video.